Good morning everybody. Welcome to my class. So, are you ready to study today? Are you ready to learn something new? Let us start then. So, today I am going to teach you the roles of profit. When we start a business or we do a business, our main motive is to earn profit. Now, what are the roles of profit in the business? We are going to see that. So you can have a look to the first point, what I have written here, survival. The first role of profit is survival. Now survival means we need to earn our livelihood, right? The basic needs, food, cloth and house. So to earn these basic things or to satisfy the need of these basic things, we should have profit in the business. Otherwise we cannot fulfill the daily requirements thing. So the first point about the role of profit is survival. It helps us to survive. If we get profit, it means we are going to survive properly, in a proper way. So this is the first role of business, and the first point is survival. Second point is expansion and growth. So expansion and growth of what? Expansion and growth of business, of course. If we don't get profit, we cannot have growth in the business. If we want to expand our business, it means if we want to make our business on a large scale, we should have profit. If we don't get profit, we cannot increase our capital, we cannot invest new things in the business, and we cannot have growth in the business. If we don't expand our business, if we have no growth in the business, there will be no future of that, because competition is increasing day by day. So in order to have growth and expansion in the business, we should have profit. So this is the second role of profit. Coming to the third role, it is the symbol of efficiency. If we gain profit in the business, it means we are efficient. We are efficiently doing our work. So this is the symbol of efficiency in the work. I mean, if you go to school, you study all the subjects and you score well, you pass and you get promoted to the other class, it means that is your efficiency. But if you go to school, you attend your classes and you are failed in the exam, you did not get promotion or you did not get promoted to the next class, so it means you are not efficient. You have done the work, but that is not up to the mark. So in the same way, if we do business and we earn profit, it means it is the symbol of efficiency in the business. Like we get our report card, and if we pass, if we go to the next class, that is the symbol of efficiency in the field of education. But in the field of business, this profit is the symbol of efficiency. Coming to the fourth point, reward for risk. Profit is the reward for risk. When we start a business, it means we are ready to take the risk. If we take risk, it means there should be some reward for it. And after taking risk in a business, we get some extra amount, which is our profit. That is actually called the reward of business for taking risk. Coming to the fifth point, gain goodwill. Now first actually you should know the meaning of goodwill. Goodwill means good name and good fame. There are some shops or there are some companies, the names of those shops or companies are very famous. Everybody know about those shops. They have heard the name of that shop. So what is that? That is goodwill. Goodwill means earning good name and good fame. So role of profit, if we earn more profit, we can have growth in the business, and if we have growth in the business, people will know more about our business and we will earn goodwill. So gaining goodwill is also the role of profit. If we have a small shop and we don't earn profit, it means we cannot earn goodwill also. So profit brings many things with it. It provides us the survival, it gives growth to the business, it makes us efficient, and it is the profit itself is the reward for taking risk in the business, and of course it brings goodwill along with it, which is the very important part of a business, because we all follow brands, right? Sometimes we use the branded things. Why don't we use local products? Because they have no goodwill, we have not heard the name. Actually, how can anything become branded? We say this is branded, this is branded. How can we say anything is branded? Because of its goodwill, because it has become famous and it has goodwill, that's why it is branded. That's it, it's so simple. So gaining goodwill is also one of the role of profit. So these are the roles of profit. You write it down in your own words, in your own way. Thank you. Have a good day.